Sir, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm filming.
Okay,
Am I allowed to film?
not private stuff.
Well,
Absolutely not.
whose onus is to hide private information, me or you? SAS. How's that spelled again? You gonna cover it now? Wow, look at this. Look at this.
To identify yourself and your serial number if asked. It is not hard, just do it.
Hello YouTube! On today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a video from the YouTube channel Johnny50. Please take a moment and head over to their YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. Today's video took place on June 9th, 2021 in Los Angeles, California. The auditor in today's video was doing a First Amendment audit of a DUI checkpoint when he came across a table on the side of the road with a bunch of personal items that officers had taken off civilians during the traffic stops. The auditor is approached by Detective Sasaki of the LAPD, and she tries to intimidate the auditor into not recording the activities of the police. The detective refuses to identify, even though it is LAPD policy to do so when asked by a member of the public. Now, let's dive right into today's video and break down this footage.
That was a question.
I don't have to answer it.
Okay, what's your name and serial number? Sergeant? Sorry, what? Again, that was a question. Sasaki, S-A-S-A-K-I. What's your serial number, please?
You don't have to answer me right now.
You don't have to answer me right now? You're busy? Wow. You should probably get her up to speed.
Oh, I lost it. Okay.
Can you pull that shirt?
Look at that. This is the part where you walk into me?
I'm not feeling very safe with you in our space.
I'm not feeling really
like
safe
it.
with 5 guys with guns surrounding me.
Actually, you're surrounding us.
I'm surrounding you? One man is surrounded. Do you understand the definition of the word surrounding?
You are in my space.
I'm in your space?
You're in my space.
That I was here and you walked into?
You are in my space. So I would advise you to step back. You can film
What's
from
your
wherever
serial
you
number,
want.
Sasaki? We can do this the easy way or the hard way. Okay. Yep. Everything's a joke. Everything's a joke with traffic division, you guys. Somebody pull up her salary for me, please. SAS. How's that spelled again? You gonna cover it now? Wow, look at this. Look at this. It's 5th grade all over again. I guarantee you're making, what, 200 a year? $234,000 a year for this. Great job. I hope we kept our receipt. Are you new to the checkpoints? Wow.
I'm going to need that serial number for a complaint form if she wants to give it now, since she doesn't look too busy.
Sasaki, we can do this the easy way or the hard way.
Address any concerns you have with the officer in charge, please.
Who's that, Ham?
No.
Who's here? Who's a
Sergeant Carmody.
sergeant?
Ordered by LAPD to identify yourself and your serial number if asked. It is not hard, just do it.
Stop resisting, officer. Stop resisting.
I'm sorry, what?
Stop resisting.
Stop resisting what?
My request for your serial number.
Sir, what is your name?
Everybody knows
What
my
is
name.
your name? I don't know your name.
Who is it?
You're required by LAPD policy to identify
Who's the head guy here? Comedy? What's his name? Again, it's a question. Wow. These are the children that we employ, folks. Amazing. Look at all the guys that you have under you that you're training.
Yourself or tell us that you are refusing to identify
Yeah.
yourself.
Are you refusing to identify yourself?
Supervising officer.
Are you refusing to identify yourself, Sasaki?
Could you step away from me?
No, I'm on a public sidewalk.
Step away from me.
I'm on a sidewalk. I'm on a public sidewalk. And so are you. This sure escalated quickly. You should just comply.
Hold up. Doing a DUI checkpoint here. Just say
Sasaki, do you know the basics of public space? Wow, all of that. Sergeant, are you the lead officer here? Can I have a word with you shortly, briefly here? I'd like to get Sasaki's serial number. She's refusing multiple times on camera.
About
I told her we can do about her serial number. Can you back up? Can you back up a little bit?
I'm fine here.
Camera.
About
I told her we can do about her serial number. Can you back up? Can you back up a little
I'm
bit?
fine here.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, well, you just want a serial number? That's it? What?
Is there a reason why that the officers under you are so insubordinate with the general public? She makes $234,000 a year.
35565.
35565.
Yeah. So
Okay,
what's
there you
going on?
have it. What's your name and serial number?
Harmony 32183.
Can you spell that, please?
K-A-R-M-O-D-Y. So is there anything
Thanks.
else?
Oh, that's all I needed.
All right.
You can get back to work
Thank you, sir.
and get back out of my space. So.
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked this video. And please remember and go over and check out Johnny50's YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you have a video you would like me to break down, please submit me an email at knowyourrightsnews@gmail.com. The link is in the description below. Until next time, YouTube, you stay safe out there.